Drawing heads in easy mode, heads in profile. When drawing something, it is kind of important to get certain things right. One of those things is the underlying three-dimensional form of the subject. When you draw an arm with all its muscles, for example, all the underlying forms of the muscles need to be believable. Note that I didn't say accurate. Many old masters often invented all sorts of muscle bumps that weren't really there, or so I think. I don't have the reference here, but I remember seeing a human back with lots of bumps that aren't there on a real human back. And still it looked okay, because the bumps were believable. The underlying three-dimensional forms were believable. And so, thus, it is important for a drawing to not look off, that the underlying three-dimensional forms look believable. And with that, we arrive at the rationale behind this drawing exercise. Drawing heads in the easy mode by drawing them on profile, meaning we draw them from side view. The reason that is an easy point of view is that it becomes two-dimensional. We basically see the outline of the front side of the head and some features drawn in. When drawing on profile, there isn't really a three-dimensionality to consider, which makes it that much easier. Also, because you can get away with not being that precise with certain aspects, like the size of the nose or the height of the forehead. The chin can be a bit bigger or smaller, but it does have to yield back a bit for it to look alright. That is something you do have to get right. Also, and this might surprise you, it is important to give the head an underchin, even if only a slight one. When sketching directly in pen, I found it important to arrive at these rules for making it easier to create drawings that look visually pleasing, because that means you end up being satisfied with the result and motivated to draw again the next day. This series of exercises is basically me documenting the simplifications and idealizations I found that made it easier to arrive at such visually pleasing drawings. The images that were used here, and many more which you can try to use for this exercise, can be found on the Practice Drawing This website. Just go to the Reference Images section and choose the Heads section. From there, for example, look at the image sets that show statue heads that are shown from several different angles. The sets tend to also have one shot of the head on profile. When you're done drawing lots of faces on profile from reference, you can also try your hand at drawing them from imagination, which essentially really means you are subconsciously drawing them from memory based on what you just drew from observation before. Or you could even draw caricature versions of famous people on profile. For some, it might be easy to arrive at a satisfying result.